As time goes by, cleaning utensil technology gets better and better. If you are still using a traditional mop that requires you to touch the cold and dirty water, you are not taking advantage of the latest technology. Although this foot-powered mop looks useful, it will only last about 3 months. And there are many problems with this mop. Let's hear what some other people think.
The pail is too big, and when you pump the pedal, it doesn't even dry the mop.
The foot pedal mop is really lousy quality. The mop never gets dry enough.
The pedal mop is awful. In less than 3 months, and the pedals are already broken.
The mop pole is easily broken, and it catches your hair. This is really terrible. And 3 months warranty is too short. Now you have a smarter choice. This is the 3rd generation of Poli King Auto Mop.
Easy automatic ringing with no need for a pedal, eliminating the annoyance of broken pedals. Older users can mop without straining their knees, and pregnant women can mop as a safe form of exercise. Even wheelchair users can easily manage it without help.
The Poli King Auto Mop gear has a 3-year motor warranty. Within 3 years, no matter how badly damaged the motor or gear is, it will be replaced with a new one. We guarantee this mop is more modern than the latest washing machine.
With this TV promotion, if you buy now, the Poli King mop is cheaper than a pedal mop. Plus, we promise a 3-year guarantee for the gear and motor. If the gear or motor break in the first 3 years, we'll replace them free of charge. With the standard pedal mop, there isn't even a 3-month guarantee, let alone 3 years. Added to this, the Poli King technology is more advanced than a washing machine. Setting washing machine cycles require manual adjustment. With the Poli King mop, however, the 10,000 RPM high-speed motor has built-in time and speed settings in an IC board. Just place the mop into the spin basket, push down, and it will automatically spin dry. Maintain a loose hold of the handle to ensure the mop stays upright. Once dry, the spinner will stop automatically. This ringing process is similar to that of the spin cycle in a washing machine. This 3rd generation Poli King automatic mop is an all-new, internationally patented design. The mop package includes a 10,000 RPM high-speed motor, 4 high-capacity batteries, a fully automatic IC ringing device, an IC emergency stop switch, a press-to-start safety switch, an IC circuit breaker, and a reinforced mop handle. These elements alone are worth more than $100 US.
Comes with a special drying basket. It is suitable for a variety of mops. You can easily meet your environmental needs.
Similarly, when the pedal mechanism of another brand's mop bucket is broken, you don't need to throw away the mop. The Poli King mop spin basket fits any brand of mop head. This kind of triangular shape is no problem. Press it down into the spin basket, and the electronic IC system will automatically stop after wringing it dry. Smaller size mop heads will work fine too. This is the advantage of the spin basket's flare design. The mop is wrung out, then the system automatically stops. This large mop head fits well also. The spin cycle starts as soon as the mop is pushed into the basket. Even when you let go of the handle, it stays upright, revolving steadily. The Poli King spin basket can be used with any kind of mop.
Now, let's do a water absorption test with Poli King's cotton microfiber.
This is a simple example, but the results are stunning. Pour juice onto a rug. Lift the rug off the floor and see how the juice has soaked through to the other side. Now, use the mop to absorb the juice on one side of the rug. This tests the absorbency of the fine cotton head and the efficiency of the high-speed spinner. Next, take the rug and blot it with tissue paper. Both sides are dry, after mopping only one. Take a closer look. See how it's totally dry? This is all down to the powerful absorption of the cotton strips and the high-speed spin motor. You can also add liquid wax to the bucket and use the mop to polish the floor. Alternatively, add bleach to sterilize while cleaning.
Let's see the comparison of the foot pedal mop to the Poli King Auto Mop.
This is ink water. First, let's test the pedal mop. Really step on it. Put some effort into it. The mop head has not been wrung dry. This only serves to make the floor dirtier and difficult to clean. A wet floor is also slippery and dangerous. Meanwhile, a wet mop head will start to smell and breed bacteria. Now, let's use the Poli King mop in the same ink water. This tests the spin function of the 10,000 RPM high-speed motor. Okay, let's pull it out and try to mop the floor. If it is not sufficiently dry, it will leave inky water marks across the floor. Let's use tissue paper to see. This is the ringing effect of the high-speed spin function. Again, it is better to buy a good quality product than a cheap one. Added to this, a pedal mop is not very stable and needs to be filled with a lot of water to hold it in place. When the bucket is full of water, however, it is too heavy to be carried by children or older users. For pregnant women, this kind of lifting is dangerous. The Poli King mop uses a 10,000 RPM high-speed spin motor and high-capacity batteries used in motorcycles. The bucket is completely stable, even when it contains no water at all. There is no need to even keep a hold of it. Just keep a loose grasp of the mop handle to ensure it stays upright, and household chores are easy.
What's the difference between Poli King's stainless steel mop pole and a traditional aluminum mop pole?
First, let's test the aluminum handle by hanging a weight from the middle. The aluminum handle is so soft that it immediately bends and snaps. Now, let's test the Poli King stainless steel handle. Add the same weight, then add another one. See? See the huge difference between the stainless steel and aluminum handles? Again, it's clear. Better to buy a good quality product than a cheap one. What's more, the Poli King mop can be used with all kinds of pedal mop buckets. There's no need to throw your bucket away just because your old mop handle is broken. The 360-degree revolving mop head prevents dust flying into the air when cleaning ceilings and is suitable for any surface, from wall tiles in the kitchen to grimy glass in the bathroom, even washroom floors and toilets. The mop is designed with 4 cm clearance above the ground. You can clean even those hard-to-reach dirt-catching cracks in the floor by extending and contracting the handle. You can easily reach under tables and beds. With the 360-degree revolving head, cleaning table legs, chair legs, and along the edge of walls is simple. There's no longer any need to wear yourself out moving furniture when cleaning. This mop makes housework simple. Just put the mop into the bucket, lift it up and down, then place it in the spin basket. Press down on the basket, and the system will wring it like a washing machine. It's easy to remove and replace the mop head by gently stepping on it and pulling it off. Stand the mop on the floor and put it to an even greater test. Let go of the handle completely. See how it stands there all by itself?
You might be wondering, is it safe to use water with an electrical appliance? Our Poli King has been certified safe.
Pour water on it and see for yourself. There's no need for concern. The automatic spin basket starts just as usual. The Poli King mop spin basket can also be used as a mini drying machine. Place wet socks in the basket and push to start. It stops automatically once they're dry. This is particularly handy for students, which last up to 10 days after being charged just once. Safety functions are built in. 1. There is pressure-sensitive switch. And 2. The spin basket will not start when the safety pin is inserted. Remove the pin to resume spinning.
The third generation of Poli King Auto Mop also comes with an accessory kit. There is a fine brush, a scraper, and a non-motorized vacuum brush included in the kit.
The delicate brush head uses superfine cotton fibers, effectively removing dust and dirt without damaging even the most delicate surfaces. Our advice? Discover for yourself how good this product is. It is an excellent tool for cleaning your beloved car without scratching the paintwork. You can even use the powerfully absorbent cotton mop head to dry the car after washing. Save on energy and cost. The floor brush is specially designed to be tough on floor dirt. We guarantee it can remove all kinds of stubborn dirty patches, from cracks in the floor to the hard-to-reach grooves on doors and windows. You can use the cotton mop head to finish the job off. It's easy to change the mop head. Just pull and gently press down for an efficient and varied cleaning performance. You don't need a cleaning expert anymore. You can do it yourself. Just put the mop into the bucket, lift it up and down, then put it into the spin basket. And there it goes, automatically. On cold winter days, there is no longer any need to come into contact with the icy water in your mop bucket. It's just that simple. The non-electric vacuum head is ready for use as soon as it's connected to the stainless steel mop handle. With the Poli King mop, there's no need to cart around a heavy vacuum for cleaning your rugs. Dust, hair, and even cigarette butts can all be brushed away, leaving nothing behind. You can also use the vacuum head by itself, independent of the mop handle. It's a wonderful tool, easy and versatile. The fine brush, floor brush, and non-electric vacuum brush are available options for purchase.
Let's see some of the users' opinions about the third generation Poli King Auto Mop and the foot pedal mop.
And it catches my hair. It really scares me. Poli King Auto Mop will not catch my hair. I can even let go of it and it will spin by itself. Using this battery-powered mop is really safe and effortless.
Poli King automatic mop. It is amazing. It starts spinning once you push it down and automatically stops when it wears dry. It surely relieves my feet. I thought it would be troublesome. The mop is electric, so I thought I had to recharge it all the time.
The pail is too big, and when you pump the pedal, it doesn't even dry the mop. But the Poli King Auto Mop is amazing. You just put the mop into the basket and press down. The basket automatically spins the mop dry and the IC chip powers it off. No footwork needed.
A good item needs your appreciation. In this economy, you need to spend your money wisely.
With this TV promotion, if you buy now, the Poli King mop is cheaper than a pedal mop. Plus, we promise a 3-year guarantee for the gear and motor. If the gear or motor break in the first 3 years, we'll replace them free of charge. The price of the Poli King mop is double that of a pedal mop, but it lasts 12 times as long. The equivalent of buying more than 10 pedal mops in 3 years. There's just no sense in saving a little to buy a pedal mop with a lifespan of only 3 months.
Let me tell you one more time. The third generation Poli King Auto Mop comes with a 3-year gear and motor warranty. No matter how badly damaged the gear and motor are, within 3 years, you get a new one. Why not act now? Pick up the phone right away.